Do you suffer a lot from muscle soreness from your gym workouts? Well, heads up, I have a little hack for you. Baking soda can help with muscle soreness and cramps. So when you exercise, your muscle releases lactic acid into your bloodstream, making it more acidic. But baking soda is alkaline, so it can balance the pH of your blood and make it less acidic, which reduces muscle soreness. You can mix 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda into 8 ounces of water and drink it before or during physical activity. The general recommendation intake for adults is 200 to 300 milligrams per kilogram of body weight mixed with 1 liter of water. You should sip it slowly and drink every 2 hours to avoid the side effects. Side effects could include nausea, diarrhea, and stomach pain, and they appear to be dose dependent, but so you don't have to worry about this, just take 1/4 teaspoon and 8 ounces of water 2 to 3 hours before you exercise. If you go gold, taking more than this, just take it with a carbohydrate-rich meal and spread your doses throughout the day.